Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about something you might already know. Large language models don't always perform well with math questions. It's a common challenge that many of us face when using AI in real-world applications. So to address this, we'll be exploring a tool called Agent, alongside a simple calculator that solves basic arithmetic problems. The goal here is to show just how easy it is to improve the response quality by adding a tool like this in Langflow. Now, I'm sure many of you are already familiar with Langflow, but for those who aren't, let me quickly touch on it. Langflow is a low-code tool integrated with data stacks designed to help AI engineers and data scientists like you and me. It allows us to drag and drop components, then deploy powerful AI solutions with minimal coding knowledge. To start, I'll walk you through the process from scratch. First, we'll sign in using your Google account, and then I'll show you how to open a blank flow in DataStax. It's that simple. Let's dive in. I've imported two input components here, one for the user's question and the other for their profile. The idea is to calculate loan queries based on the user's profile. Now, I want to demonstrate the efficiency of adding components like the tool calling Agent, which allows us to integrate one or more tools seamlessly. In this case, I'm using a calculator as the tool. The tool calling Agent acts as a wrapper, and for it to work, we need to include a language model. So, I've connected an OpenAI component here, where I've added the OpenAI API key to access the GPT-4o mini model. Additionally, the Agent tool requires a system prompt to function effectively, so I've included a prompt component to handle that. The prompt includes a user persona and a detailed guide for performing actions, along with two examples demonstrating how to prioritize profile information before addressing the question. It also references adding profile information to ensure a personalized response. The OpenAI API key has been added to the OpenAI component to enable access to the LLM. Following that, I've included a chat output to display the results. Now, let's test this setup with a sample question and profile. As you can see, the output is displayed in the playground, along with a detailed view of how the agent processed the request. Let's test three different scenarios in the playground, ranging from basic to complex. The profile can be customized, and I've prepared sample profiles along with questions tailored to each scenario. For the first case, the flow ran smoothly, and you can observe the agent's internal workings. In the second scenario, the process stalled after reaching the maximum iterations, which can be adjusted in the tool settings. This highlights some limitations that still exist. The third scenario involved a very basic question which was answered correctly without issues. Once the flow is finalized, it can be deployed easily, using various options, including a Python API, curl, or even Python code.